Hello friends, how are you all doing? I know you had to wait for quite some time, but during this period, I tried my best to stay connected with you, replying to your comments and keeping you updated. As I mentioned earlier, I was busy working on some major updates. And now, finally, the update is complete. I also want to say, some of your comments were truly amazing. They genuinely motivated me. When you leave such positive and supportive feedback, it really means a lot and gives me the energy to keep improving. Also, if any of you need a custom tool or software, you can contact me. I provide services like web applications, Windows applications, Android apps, e-commerce websites, WordPress plugins, and basically any kind of custom development you need. You can check out my website, Grootyfy.com. Now, coming to today's video, I've brought something even more powerful and easier for you. Today, I'm introducing the Chromexor Tool. With this tool, you don't even need Ventoy anymore. With just one click, you can create a bootable USB and directly install ChromeOS with Play Store support. No extra steps, no wasted time. This is one of the easiest methods available. In this video, I'll show you how to properly use Chromexor. And in the upcoming videos, I'll also demonstrate the complete live installation process step by step. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started with today's video. Now let's move to the download process. First, open any of your favorite browsers and go to google.com. In the search bar, type Grootyfy and press enter. From the search results, find Grootyfy.com. This is my official website. Click on it. Once the website is fully loaded, go to the search box and type Chromexor, then press enter. Now click on the post titled Chromexor ChromeOS Bootable Creator. After the page loads, make sure to read the full post carefully. Then scroll down. You will see a "Click Here" button. Click on it. You can also watch the guideline video provided on the page. After that, scroll down again. Here you will find 4 download options: Mega, Mediafire, Google Drive and OneDrive. You can download the tool from any of these links. It's completely your choice. For this tutorial, I'll use Google Drive. Click on the Google Drive link, and once the page opens, click on the download button. The download will start automatically. And that's it. Your Chromexor tool has now been downloaded successfully. Now we also need to download the Universal ChromeOS installer and the ChromeOS Recovery file. So again, open the website and search for Universal ChromeOS installer. Click on the post and wait for the page to load completely. Make sure to read the full post carefully. Then scroll down and click on the "Click Here" button. Here, you will also see a guideline video along with multiple download links. You'll find 4 different download options, but for this tutorial, I'll use Google Drive. Click on the Google Drive link, wait for the page to load, then press the download button. Now wait for the download to complete. And that's it. The Universal ChromeOS installer has now been downloaded successfully. Next, we need to download the ChromeOS Recovery file. I have already provided the official recovery link below the Universal ChromeOS installer download section. Click on that link and wait for the page to load completely. Now find the recovery file that matches your laptop model or device configuration. Once you find the correct recovery file, click on the download button and wait for the process to finish. And now, the ChromeOS Recovery file has also been downloaded successfully. Now let's move to the next step. After downloading the Chromexor tool, the Universal ChromeOS installer image file, and the recovery zip file, you can move them to any location you prefer. For this tutorial, I'll move everything to the desktop. Once the files are on the desktop, right-click on the Chromexor.zip file and extract it. After extracting, open the folder. Now, locate the Chromexor application file. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. If a permission prompt appears, click Yes to continue. And that's it. The tool will now launch successfully with administrator privileges. Now, after running the application, let's understand the interface step by step. First, look at the device panel. Here, the checkbox is used to enable viewing only connected physical USB drives. If you keep it checked, only USB devices will be shown. If you uncheck it, all physical drives will appear in the list. Next to it, you'll see a reload button. This button is used to refresh the device list in case your USB doesn't appear. Now, I'll select my USB drive for creating the ChromeOS Bootable. After selecting the USB, move to the Type panel. From here, you can choose the partition type for your USB, either GPT or MBR. For this tutorial, I'll select MBR. Now, move to the Installer in Device section. Here, you'll find two browse buttons. The first button is used to select the installer file, which should be in .img format. The second button is for selecting the recovery file, which should be in .zip format. Click on the first browse button and select your installer file from your system. Then click on the second browse button and select the recovery file. After selecting both files, simply click on the Start button. Once the process begins, you can monitor everything in the status panel. Here, you'll see logs and the progress of the bootable creation process in real time. After clicking the Start button, a verification form will appear on top of the application. Now let's look at the verification panel. Here, you will see three input fields. The first field is for your username. The second field is for your email address. Both the username and email are used for security and verification purposes. Now, the third field is the pay section. If you want to use the tool in trial mode, simply leave the value as 0. The first trial is completely free. But if you want to become a premium user, you can pay a minimum of $1 for one-time USB bootable creation. And if you want to create bootable USBs multiple times or for multiple devices, then payment depends on the number of uses. For example, if you want to create 5 bootable USBs or use the tool 5 times, then you need to pay $5 as support for my website. After filling in all the fields, continue with your preferred option. If you are a trial user, click on the Trial button. And if you are a premium user, click on the Unlock button. After clicking Unlock, open the donate link or visit www.grootyfy.com for payment approval. The donate link is directly connected to my WhatsApp for payment verification and support. If you click on my website link, my website will automatically open in your default browser. After the website is fully loaded, click on the Support Us button located on the top right side of the navigation bar. Once you click the Support Us button, a pop-up window will appear. Inside this pop-up, you will see a slider containing multiple payment methods. If you want to make an international payment through Payoneer Individual Payment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email for the individual payment process. You can also use other payment methods such as BTC, BNB, Doge, TRX, USDT, ETH, JazzCash, or EasyPesa. Payments made through these methods are automatically verified within approximately 5 to 10 minutes after submitting the form. Now let's fill out the support form. In the full name and email fields, enter the same details that you used in the Chromexor verification form. Next, enter your donation amount. After that, move to the product title field. Here, type the product name for which you made the donation. The next field is additional notes. In this section, you can write your message or feedback. Now move to the payment screenshot field and upload a screenshot of your payment submission. After filling out all the fields, click on either the mail icon or the WhatsApp icon to submit your request. Once the form is submitted successfully, wait approximately 5 to 10 minutes. My team will connect with you for verification. Trial users are verified automatically, so no payment proof is required for trial access. After your payment is verified, reopen the Chromexor tool. Now again select your USB drive. After selecting the USB, choose the USB type. For this tutorial, I'm selecting MBR. Next, select the installer file and recovery file exactly like we selected earlier. Now press the Start button. After clicking Start, the verification form will appear again on top. Enter the same information that you used during your subscription or payment process. After filling in all the fields, press the Unlock button. If subscription tokens are available according to your plan, the USB writing process will automatically start. If you face any issue during the process, you can contact me anytime for support. Once the process is completed successfully, a success message box will appear on your screen. And that's it. Your ChromeOS bootable USB has now been created successfully. Also, if you want to reset or clean your USB drive later, you can do that by clicking on the knife icon button available inside the application. Alright friends, that's it for today's video. In the upcoming videos, I'll show you the complete ChromeOS installation process with live practical demonstration step by step. So make sure you stay connected. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And also click the bell icon so you never miss my latest uploads and future updates. See you in the next video.